Hi everyone, welcome back to the JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to learn a very important part of HTML, list and tables. These two things are used on almost every website you visit. And like always, the PPT and code files are available in the video description. So feel free to download and practice along with me. So today we will understand order list, unordered, description list, nested list, basic table structure, and table tags, tr, thtd, Rowspan Colspan, table caption. And by the end of this video, you will know how to organize content and how to structure data properly in the HTML. So let's begin with a simple idea. Lists are used when you want to show things one after another, maybe topics, steps, features, items, and menu bar. And tables are used when you want to display information in a grid like rows and columns. For example, students records, price table, timetable, comparison charts. HTML give us multiple types of list and powerful table option. So let's start the list first. First one is the order list. An order list means the item appear in a sequence like step 1, step 2, step 3. You use this when order matters like recipe book, recipe step, tutorial step, and the top 10 list. So let's see how to create one. So for that, let's move to VS Code. We have to write the order list for just write the OL, and the inside this just write LI for list item, and the content you want to show LI CSS LIJS. So if you see the 1, 2, 3, and the all tags create the order list, and each item li tags creates a list item. And you can even change the numbering style using the type attribute by writing this type, and this number one uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet, Roman, and this. So next is the unordered list. And unordered list is similar, but instead of number it show bullet point just. And use this for things that don't need an order, like a website navigation menu, a grocery list, feature list. So let's see UL unordered list for list item, home, and li about, li contact, and here the bullet point automatically appear in this unordered list. And these are the most commonly used list in the on the website. So if you see home, about, contact, and this come with the bullet points. Next is the description list. A description list is a bit different. It is used to show terms and their definition, like a question and answer. FAQ section is the perfect for this, and terminology also. So let's see DL description list, DT the term for the term which you want, like a question, HTML, and DD description, and hypertext markup language, and DT CSS, DD cascading style sheets. So if you let's see, if you see, this is as a question the term and the description of this term, the hypertext markup language, the cascading style sheet. So next is the nested list. Sometimes you need a list inside a list, like a menu, sub-menu, sub-menu. This is called a nested list. And for that, let's make a list UL and unordered list. And in this list item front end is skill set. And in this front end, I want to show skills, and this UL list item HTML, another one list item CSS. So here the second URL is placed inside the first li, like if you see here, and this create a structure like this one, front end HTML and CSS. So nested list help in creating menus, categories, topics, and this type of the. So we cover order, unordered, description list, nested list. Next is the tables. Tables are used to show information in rows and columns. So HTML table use the following important tags. The table, the entire table. TR is used for table row, and TH is a header cell. It is a bold and center by default. TD is used for normal data cell. So let's see this practically. So let's create a table and add the first make a table row. In this make a heading, and in this heading name, table heading age. Next row is contains the value. In this table row, table data Rahul, and age is the 22. So here what happen is first tr creates a row of heading, this one. Then second tr creates the row of data, the td. So this is basic structure of the table. And if you want to add the border, just write here in the table border and 1. So you will see this border is here, and this next is the Rowspan and Colspan. Rowspan merge calls vertically, like if I show you Rowspan and Colspan. Let's see in a practical way. So Rowspan is Rowspan, and it takes two rows. So you want to cover one cell to cover 2 rows, just use the Rowspan. If you want to cover 2 columns, Colspan 2. So let's see. If you see, this name is covered 2 rows, this age 1 and the Rahul 22, and this age is covered 2 columns, this Rahul and 22. So next is the table caption. Table caption is used for the heading, means we show above the table, and it's written by caption and student details. If you see the student details, and this help in better readability. So let's build a practical way of employee details table. For that, write table, and in this add the border of 1, caption, employee details, then table row and table heading. First table heading is the name. Next table heading is the contact, and in the contact I want to take email and phone number both. So it takes the 2 columns, right? So for that we have to add the Colspan 2, and now write the table row, and it takes table heading and email and table heading phone. If you see, I just give the 2, but it takes the 3 from the starting. From the heading is the 3. So for that we have to give the Rowspan also. Rowspan 2. Because here if you see the column is the 3 here, 2 for the contact and 1 for the name, but I am giving the 2 value only, email and phone. That's why I give the Rowspan 2 here to cover the second. Next is the give the data, table row, table data, the name is Ravi, table data email ravi@gmail.com, and table data phone number 96325, just random one. And let's see in the way. So if you see name, the table caption is employee details, the name column, the contact column, and contact column has two columns, email and phone, and the data is ravi@gmail.com. So this creates a clean and organized table layout. So we cover the let's see the list and tables are used in the navigation menu. Pricing tables, time tables, comparison chart, product specification, reports. You will use these a lot when building website. So in this video we learn order list, unordered, description, nested list, and how to create table, table tags, TRT, HTD, Rowspan and Colspan, table caption, and best way to organize structured data also. So thank you for watching for the web development series by JDCodebase. PPT and code files are available in this video description. Practice them and you will understand list and tables like a pro. See you in the next video.